More than 17,000 staff from Singapore's 3 local banks are ready to use AI on the job. A similar number is also set to complete their AI training within 2 years. The Institute of Banking and Finance is also upskilling those in the industry to take on roles in the green finance area. It says nailing both will boost Singapore's finance sector as a global hub. Beatrice Yap speaks to Carolyn Neo, CEO of IBF, to find out more.
For decades, onboarding a high-net-worth client meant pages and days of compliance checks. Enter generative AI, condensing what once took countless working days into an hour. This frees up relationship managers to chase deals and build contacts instead of spending hours on paperwork. That's just one example of how tech is transforming the finance industry, and the Institute of Banking and Finance hopes to help more firms tap it.
The adoption of Gen AI could add up to 550 billion Sing dollars in value annually to the global financial sector, based on McKinsey's estimates. To embrace these opportunities, it is important to transform our workforce alongside AI adoption. IBF and MAS have partnered 11 pilot financial institutions, including early AI adopters, to unpack what AI adoption means for specific job roles, and to test bait and refine our approach to support our workers. IBF's initiatives are centered around 3 areas. Firstly, uplift AI literacy for all. IBF has identified 3 foundational skills that are deemed essential by our industry partners for all job roles, namely AI principles, AI governance, and prompt design. Secondly, upskill workers for role-specific AI adoption. As AI gets integrated into job roles, we support training of workers to use role-specific AI tools and deepen their domain knowledge to take on higher value-added work. Thirdly, upbuild young talent. It is increasingly important to equip our young talent with more and deeper industry exposures before they join the workforce, so that we can get them more job ready.
And what are some of the key challenges in this process?
The challenges are twofold. Firstly, AI is a fast evolving area. The technology and use cases are evolving as we speak. We will need to take a forward-looking view and prepare ahead while being nimble to fine-tune our approach as the landscape evolves. Secondly, the pace and skill of AI adoption differ across financial institutions, and the impact on workers also varies across job roles. We need to execute at scale across the whole sector, while also catering to differentiated needs across financial institutions and workers.
Last year, IBF launched a generative AI jobs transformation map to help financial institutions in Singapore tap resources to improve their AI implementation.
IBF is working closely with our pilot financial institutions to equip our workforce with key AI skills. The 3 local banks, DBS, OCBC and UOB, have committed to uplift the AI literacy of all their 35,000 employees in Singapore in the next 1 to 2 years, tapping on IBF accredited programs. As of Q3 last year, more than half have been trained. IBF will accredit courses that are aligned to our skills framework and standards, and provide co-funding for the cost fee of their training participants. This will help to catalyze and scale up training of the workforce.
Automation is not the only frontier. Ms. Neo adds that sustainability skills have been soaring in demand too.
Close to 18,000 training on sustainable finance have been completed across 100 financial institutions. This is a significant 5-fold increase in training participation. IBF has also doubled the number of accredited sustainable finance courses to 150, which enables workers to access training and acquire skills for their respective job roles. Together with industry partners, we have identified 3 priority job roles for upskilling on sustainable finance. They are corporate bankers, private bankers, and credit risk officers. For each of these priority job roles, we have prioritized the core sustainable finance skills for training, including sustainable lending, sustainable investment management, and risk management. This will enable the workers to better engage their corporate clients on their decarbonization pathways and offer appropriate sustainable financing solutions. The industry is committed to train 10,000 workers in these 3 priority roles by 2027. To date, half of the corporate bankers and credit risk officers have been trained, and all the client-facing private bankers have already been trained.
She adds that AI and sustainable finance are both key structural drivers of change in the financial sector over the next 5 years. Hence, a dual focus on both areas will help Singapore tap on new growth opportunities as an international financial centre.